Hey guys, look, I don't know about you, but mina ngibona ngendlela abahlangene ngayo la ukuthi this is a sketch and kuningi usazostressa ngale show le. I mean, tell me, kanjani ukuthi abantu babe bahlangane nje kwenzeke le nto le yenzekile namanje uvinjwa kanjani umshado wendoda engawo ukuthi yenzeke into enamandla kanje nezimali zayo? I mean, unamajida wakhe lo muntu lo. Mina nje bekuyimina bezisela amajida wami ngithi bafethu ishubile asambe solobola sambe namajida solobola ukuthi kwenzakalani later I don't care usala mina ngilobolile mhlambe mina uDom angazi, but I want us to talk about this and more here on this video. But before starting with the video, I would like to request you guys to like it, and if you subscribe to this channel, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scrolling down it so that you can watch my previous videos, and I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching this video. So let us quickly get into it. Now phela wonke umuntu happy, excited ukuthi siyahamba manje solobola uBhahumi siyakabani koMtawu. Mangaba sifika kaMtawu nangu lo mfana lo wesilima ngimazi negama lapho usethumela ubaba bakhe ukuthi beze like abazolobola. Hayi thisa happy ukuthi hayi nabo sebefikile phela abantu bazolobola. Nawu sekathula ukuthi hayi labantu laba akubona umkhize laba. Abantu bakabani obani laba? Angiyazi lento lapha but yona lento leyo. Omkhize bona bavimbelekile lapho bavinjwe umuntu othenga obani ukhabazela phela umavovu ugcwabi wathi ayenzeki lo nto leyo lo mfana lo akashadi. So I'm going to do everything in my power to make sure that he doesn't pay this lobola kule ntombazane lana ngempela shothi be successful ngiphoza ugcina ngakho amalobolo. But mina ngithi if mina bengiwulo mfana lo uzwelana, trust me bebezothi bethi manje na ngiyokwazi ukulobola and everything, it's a relaxana, it's fine. Phume kanje ngene emotweni nami ngihlabe ikhi ngemajideni majida nayo into eyenzakalayo sevele wathiwa lapha yana abafuna ukuthi ngilobole. So angazi nami ukuthi uzokwenzakalani. Mos ureportile amadlozi ukuthi uyahamba yolobola, and if kuukuthi ubaba omncane wakhe afuna umlobolela amadlozi kumele understand ukuthi hayi omncane afuna umlobolela, and then ahambe emajideni asinamajida lapha yana bahambe bayela ntombazane alobole, and then ayichazele late intombazane ukuthi this is what happened, than ukuthi ayi-embarrass kanje lengane because manje she feels embarrassed. Mina ngaba ngikhuluma icala mina lokuthi hayi kuthiwa sibanga nobhebe ukuthi ngimlobole ngabantu engayibona abasekhaya abangani engazi kahle abangani bami, than ukuthi sibanga ukuthi angiyanga ngomlobola lapha ngam-embarrassa. Angabantu bamhleka manje abangani bakhe lo mntwana lo bamhleka ukuthi hayi imlindisile indoda yakhe yangakifiki and all those things. So rather ngikwadela ukuthi ngilethe abantu engayibona umndeni wami understand isizathu sokuthi this is the reason why ngawuletha ngomndeni wami. I don't know about you guys, mhlambe I'm being dumb with this one, but then angazi. So comment down in the comment section ngitshela ukuthi nani cabangani about this. Nina if bewinini in the situation, what are you going to do? If bewuwena manje la nangu uzwelakhe noma if bewuwena la uzwelakhe enze lento lengiyenzile mina, bozoncama ukuthi angeze uzolobola yini noma bozoncamela ukuthi eze namajida wakhe. So comment down in the comment section, share your thoughts, share your opinions about this, and then if you enjoyed content here on this video, please do like it, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share this video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, if you're not TikTok. And all of that being said, this is the end. So thank you so much for watching this video. Let's engage again on the next one.